Hello everyone. IIT Delhi is a pilot region for Barabulla and NCT of Delhi. IIT Delhi serves as a mini township model which covers an area around 320 acres. IIT Delhi is the most suitable model for testing water quality, water supply, sewerage, and other water components, and we can easily replicate the frameworks for larger regions. There are some of the initiatives that have been taken in past 2 decades to achieve SDGs. Use of reclaimed water for all the horticulture activities is in practice in order to minimize the groundwater usage as the water stress increases. Waterless urinals do not require water for flushing and can be promoted at house level, institutions, or public places. We have introduced waterless type urinals in different toilets. Rainwater harvesting structure plays a very big role. In campus, we have around 30 rainwater harvesting structure, 100 plus groundwater harvesting structures, and 20 plus soak pits. Storm drain. It's a necessity as the urban flooding has become quite a phenomenon. Professor A.K. Gosain would share its view on the following.
Drainage system is in every city is partly man-made, partly is natural. There's all these areas which have been developed as a city. If you go back 200 years, they were part of the natural system. So if you look at Delhi, there are around 200 natural drain segments which are covering the NCT part of Delhi. Area which was originally available to them for evacuating the rainwater is not the same. The reason can be either encroachment by various people, the sizes have been reduced, or the other reason can also be that they are filled up with the solid waste unwillingly. People don't even realize that when they put their solid waste inside these locations, they don't even realize that the rainy season will come and all this rainwater needs to pass through them. Now with the urbanization, we keep on reducing this capacity of land mass to soak the rainfall. So that means your runoff coefficient, the potential for generating the runoff for the same amount of rainfall keeps on increasing with more and more urbanization taking place, with more and more paved areas becoming available in the city. A city might have, of the same area might have conventionally around 50% of runoff coefficient, which can go up to around 95% if you pave most of the area. That we created the hydraulic models for the whole landmass of Delhi and looked at what is the present capacity of the drains, and then generated the runoff volumes and then did the hydraulic modeling to find out what will be the fate of these drains if this kind of rain comes, and then found out which are the areas which are getting inundated.
Wetland conservation is not only plays a greater part in biodiversity, but it has a huge impact on day-to-day living also.
The main target was at the starting was the wastewater cleaning. It was our main goal. But wetland can be used for water recharge also. Wetland also provides some other services also like food, jobs, and cultural and spiritual services like people used to visit, and tourism people visit there. We choose wetland because we want to be in sync with the nature.
In IIT Delhi Campus for sewerage maintenance, we have set up 2 STPs with a capacity of 1.5 MLD. The treated water from the STPs is used for horticulture activities in the campus. The treated water is supplied 24/7 throughout the campus. As per the government norms in 2017 of Ministry of Environment and Forest, wastewater should be treated before being discharged it into the sewers. The water is treated up to the secondary stage, in which the following treatment facilities are available: from grit chamber, aeration tank, sedimentation tank, dry composting structures, ozone treatment and UV treatment. In order to achieve the goals, we have defined the following outcomes: digital topographic mapping, water availability assessment and analysis, water supply assessment, recycle and reuse of water, drainage system evaluation, monitoring of all the water quality aspects and ground level fluctuations with climatic events in mind, solid waste management, and with the water audit of all the water related structures